everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me with this new series that I'm going to be uploading on Fridays. They're going to focus on fashion, they're going to focus on fitness, and they're going to focus on my face, or our faces. But it's going to come obviously from the perspective of me, who is a 40-plus-year-old woman, and these are all just my opinions. I am by no means an expert in any of these things, but I like to have fun. I like to have fun with makeup. I like to try new exercises, and I thought it'd be fun just to share that with everybody. So with that being said, today's video is going to be on the 21-day sale that Ulta will be having starting September 1st and running through September 21st. Now, the fun part about that is they obviously have certain things that are going to be on sale for the entire 3 weeks, but they have daily deals. And it's always fun to go through and look at the actual catalog. I kind of do it the old school way, and I mark the things that I really, really like or the things that I am wanting to try. And because these daily deals are probably 50 to 60% off normal prices, then if you are wanting something or needing to stock up, this is the perfect time to do it. Now, there are great deals on every day of the 21-day sale, but I'm just going to talk about the few days and the few products that I really personally either love or really want to try. Now, disclaimer is that these work for me personally. I have some very interesting skin, and I have an upcoming video that's going to talk about that. But I also use a website called Cause DNA, and that is one that you can upload the ingredients list of things for your body and your face and see what kind of irritant or allergy causing issue they might have, or what they might even have for problems for acne. And so I do use those, and I kind of balance that against what it is that I want to use and try. And so that obviously is going to kick some of these off the list for me, but everything else, for the most part, either works, or I already own it, or I really, really want to try it, and I'm going to purchase it on these particular days. So that being said, let's get started. All right, so obviously September 1st, 2nd, I'm not going there, September 5th. Now, they're going to have MAC lipsticks, and it looks like they're going to have it only in 2 colors, Diva or Cream in Your Coffee. I'm not sure if they're going to offer any other shades, but I really want to try the Cream in Your Coffee lipstick. Now, everybody knows MAC. They can love them or hate them. There are definitely certain products that I love from MAC, though, and lipsticks are a really strong suit of theirs. And Cream in Your Coffee is more of a neutral tone, and as my lips age, I think that some of the darker colors get a little scary, and I don't like feathering. So Cream in Your Coffee is the way I'm gonna go, and it is only $9.25. So most drugstore lipsticks are that price, and for, you know, having MAC's ability to do so well with lip products, I think $9.25 is definitely worth it. So I'm gonna be buying that one. Now, the next day, they're going to have the Monsieur Big Mascara on sale. Now, this is a big deal because if you've tried this, 99% of people love it. It is crazy for your eyelashes. I love it personally, but with a $25 price tag, I think it's out of hand. So what I do is I always wait until this is either on sale or they're having a huge gift with purchase deal, something to get more bang for my buck with this. Christmas time, Sephora, Ulta, Nordstrom, oftentimes they sell this at either a discounted price or with maybe something on the side, or maybe a few dollars off with a makeup remover. So always stock up on your mascaras when they're on sale. You should never be paying $25 or more for mascaras. So with that being said, September 6th, this one's going to be on sale for $12.50, and it's definitely the time to try it because that's not much more than most drugstore prices for any mascara. Now, the next day, September 7th, Anastasia Beverly Hills is going to be having their brow definer on sale for about $11.50. That's really a good price. That's about half of the normal price. Anastasia Beverly Hills does a really good job of a lot of their eyebrow products, and for me, as an aging woman and a blonde, it's really bad, but I'm just really not there yet with trying to get my eyebrows tattooed. That kind of scares the snot out of me. So I'm still trying all the products I can. And at a price of $11.50, I think that that particular brow pencil might be something that would be worth a try for me. So I'm probably going to pick one of those up. The next day, September 8th, they're going to have the SMASHBOX primers. Now, I think they're only going to have a couple. They're going to have the primer light and I believe the redness one, but they're going to be on sale for about 18 bucks as opposed to $36 to $39. And I'm going to try the primer light because I'm getting to a point where I feel like I need a primer underneath everything to help with enlarged pores and with greasiness. So the primer light is water-based. It has antioxidants, I believe. It has peptides in it. So, you know, anything that's going to help my skin. And I already double checked it against my Cause DNA website. It's not very irritating. I'm going to definitely try that for $18. And then I'm going to skip down all the way to the 13th. On the 13th, they are going to be selling the Tarte 12-hour blushes. Now, this one I happen to have just purchased. I believe that this particular color, it's Parte, is exclusive to Sephora, and I got it during the 15% off VIB sale. But I will say this, they truly are 12-hour blushes. I have never hit pan on a blush before, so because I couldn't stop using it, and I did that with my first sample that I've ever had of this. So I immediately, when I ran out, went and bought the full size one. Now, again, even though this color I think is only at Sephora, just don't despair. For $14.50 on the 13th of September, pick up one, pick up two of these. They have the most gorgeous shade range. I actually might purchase another one in something similar or maybe even a more peachy tone, but you cannot beat the price on these blushes. And I've tried low-end blushes. I have other high-end blushes, and this one, hands down, just throws them all out the door for me. So on the 13th, Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush. Other than that, I think, oh, the next day, the 15th. The 15th, they're going to have the Tartelette in Bloom eyeshadow palette. Now, I'm a little bit upset because I think, have a sale or a coupon for this, but I did not get this for $19.50. I think I paid closer to the $38 range for this. Now, don't judge me. I don't have a ton of eyeshadow palettes. I actually have just one, now I can't think of the name of it, of the magnetic ones, and I have my single pots in, and I don't have any other palettes currently than this one, but I splurged on this because it is a little bit more of the warm tones, but they're neutrals. Keep doing that. This is a fantastic palette. I'm actually wearing this today, and I'm wearing my Tarte today as well. I don't know what to say. This is just, it's compact, it's beautiful. You can dress it up, dress it down. Obviously, this is every day for me. It's like Thursday, Friday. But this can be worn on a fancy occasion. You can just do so much with it, and just the shade range in here is gorgeous for all these neutrals. So for the price of $19.50, I think that palette is definitely well worth the money. And as far as the rest of the 21-day sale goes, make sure that you check out either their website or get your catalog as well, because they are going to be having some great deals throughout that 21 days. MAC is going to come out. They've come out with this new Love Me lipstick line, and these things are going to be $19 as opposed to $24. So yes, they are still $19, but it's supposed to be a nourishing lip product, and the colors look amazing. So if you're really into something or if you're really needing something for fall or a new lipstick, that might be one to check out. Mario Bedescu is also going to be on sale. The sprays, I don't have one in front of me. I managed to lose it, but they have an aloe vera one, a lavender one. I believe they have a rose water one, and I've used a few of those. I always get like the smaller ones, and I just have them in my purse at all times. But Mario Bedescu sprays are going to be on sale. And then Ulta, they always have their you know, their store products on sale. So they have crazy prices. So the week of September 1st through the 7th, they're going to be having their liquid concealers on sale for $4 each, and their single pot eyeshadows for $4 each. Now, I've used the eyeshadows before, and they, especially if you use an eye primer, they have really good staying power, and they have a, you know, ton of different colors, shades, and finish options. So for $4 for a new pot of eyeshadow, it's great. I've heard great things about the concealer. I actually might pick one up myself because I'm almost out of my age rewind, and I just want to kind of try something new. So for $4, the concealer is a good deal. And then on the 8th through the 14th, they're actually having their primers on sale for $7 each. And they also have most of their cosmetic brushes on sale for $7 each. So if the primerizers don't work for me, then I think that a $7 primer might be a great option from Ulta, but I need to look at the ingredients on that. And then the brushes, you can't beat a $7 brush. Last but not least, on the 15th to the 21st, again, they're going to be having their eyebrow products on sale. Now, I have used them before, and they're okay. I just prefer others, but for $5 each, those are a really good place to start. So you can't beat that. That being said, that is it for me. And again, don't forget to let me know what it is that you are going to be getting through this 21-day sale, and make sure that you hit subscribe. And if you like this type of video, make sure you hit like, and I can't wait to show you what's coming up in the near future. I have some exciting stuff coming up with some friends and with some really cool new exercises to do. So stay tuned for that. And if you want to hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything, make sure you do that as well. And until next time, see you later.